Hi sweets, today is my late unboxing from BOXYCHARM and Ipsy bag, and I have good news. Finally, I'm gonna get my BOXYCHARM at my house, so now it's not gonna be a late unboxing, it's gonna be a regular unboxing of both of the bags. So from September on, it's gonna be like a normal, well, I'm gonna receive it like everybody normally, not really late. So for my Ipsy bag, I got 2 sheet masks, which I'm really loving. I got a Huda Beauty matte liquid lipstick. I got an eyeshadow blue jeans from Ofra, and also I got a false lashes extreme black from MAC. And from Purlisse, I got a watermelon energizing Aqua Balm. It's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshness and moisturize. I'm gonna start, and I chose the Juice Up Blackberry mask in a clean face. I have to apply it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, it's the first one that I have that is black instead of white. Now we'll wait the 15 to 20 minutes and we are gonna take it off. It has already passed the 20 minutes that it's supposed to be on your face, and then it says to pat so the remaining formula can stick to the skin. Now I'm gonna use in my entire face the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. It smells really sweet. I'm gonna do my entire complexion and then I'm gonna come back to use the rest of the products that I got in both of the bags. Now that I have my complexion done, I got to the point where I can use my BOXYCHARM. In this month bag, I got a House of Lashes, and this is in the styled Featherette. I got a Beauty Bang. This is a gel eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna use it as a brow pomade. I got this Adesse New York. This is an organic infused age define nail treatment essentials. Perfect. The Party Animal from Laura Lee. Also, I got a Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte in the shade XO Vlada. I think it is how it is pronounced. And man, my bad. I got this from Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I'm gonna use this in another video, and I'm gonna make the reference to this one so you can actually see them if you haven't. But I was really intrigued about this and I totally forgot because I could have used this. Let's just start with my eyebrows because I look kind of funny without any makeup in my eyebrows and my complexion done. I'm gonna start filling my eyebrows. As always, I first draw my arch. I'm gonna use the oil that I got for the nails because I'm not gonna use it inside my eyes. I'm just gonna use it in my face. So let's hope that this can actually do the trick of that. Every time that something that is gel-like is drying up, you can apply a little bit of an oil and it will help you give that consistency again. It did the trick. Actually, is running a little bit better than it was before. I'm gonna start with the eyes and I'm gonna use the Laura Lee Party Animal. This is how the palette looks. It's really colorful, so let's see what I can do with this. I'm gonna start with this shade Karaoke in the excess because it has a lot of kick up, and I'm just pressing the pigment where I want it to be, as in tapping motions. I'm repeating the process and I'm just applying pigment where I want it to be. I'm just pressing pigment really slowly to build it up. And I'm praying at the same time that this turns out as good as I want it to be. Well, so far as pigment wise is really good. As I was blending the other eye, it gets a little bit patchy in some areas, so you have to reapply to make sure that you have your pigment even out. But besides that, it's really easy to blend. Let's just go to that part. I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm using now the damage control, taking from the pan, tapping the excess. That's really important because if not, you're gonna mess up your foundation, because I did my foundation first. Okay, so now we are gonna do kind of a cut crease, but not at the same time. I'm using the same concealer that I use for my complexion and a flat brush, and I'm gonna do a semicircle in my lid, and I'm gonna use as a guideline my natural crease, which is rare, and try to copy exactly what I did in my other lid, which is not an easy task. I think that's it. First, I'm gonna apply the orange color that I used, Dranks, and I'm using another flat brush to apply it. I'm tapping the excess from the brush and I'm placing this in the middle. I'm doing it in tapping motion so the pigment can grab at the concealer that I applied. I'm trying to whiten it a little bit more in the end part of the concealer that I applied. And using another flat brush, I'm gonna go to Bottoms Up and I'm gonna fill the gaps in the sides. Doing this, pressing the pigment to the concealer. Now I'm going to reapply a little bit of the orange, especially in this top part here. I apply a little bit of this purple shade because I wanted to use it and I didn't know how to use it, but it's really amazing, and this is this color here, Hungover, and I applied it in my outer corners and inner corners. First, I apply it here in my other eye, just to give a little more darkness to this area. And I did the same thing in my inner part. And now for my bottom part, I'm gonna use the purple shade, Hungover. Remember to tap the excess of your brush, and I'm gonna apply it really near my bottom lashes. I'm gonna do a wing liner and I'm gonna apply another liner in my waterline. I'm gonna do that off camera because I didn't got anything in that area. I have finished up almost with my eyes, but I'm gonna go with mascara and I'm gonna use the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm gonna apply a good layer in my bottom lashes and a little coat in my top because I'm gonna apply falsies. First my bottom, my top. For falsies, I'm gonna use my House of Lashes Featherette. I got this in my BOXYCHARM. So far, I really like this style. As always, I first press the center, then I secure the sides. There. And now I'm gonna pinch my natural lashes with the falsies to help them blend together. And now I press them a little bit upwards to lift them. For lips, I have two, or I got two, one in my BOXYCHARM and one in my Ipsy bag. My Ipsy bag, I got one from Huda Beauty. It's Troophy Wife. And in my BOXYCHARM, I got one from Smashbox, and I don't know how to pronounce this. XO Vlada. Is that the name, or that is how it is pronounced? But I think I'm gonna use Troophy Wife to kind of outline my lips, and in the center of my lips I'm gonna use the Smashbox, the XO Vlada. As always, I first draw my Cupid's bow, then the sides, now the bottom, first the center, and now the sides. And Now I'm gonna apply, and let's pray to God that it looks nice, the Smashbox metallic one. I'm gonna apply only in the center of my lips, top and bottom, and it looks nice. I'm gonna apply in my nails this Adesse Age Define Nail Treatment. I'm applying it in my cuticles, by the way, and I'm rubbing it in my cuticle area and in the sides of my finger. This is where we usually get a little bit of a dry skin. Please don't mind that I have one color in one hand and the other one in the other hand. I have to do my refill in this hand. But besides that, look at my hands. They really look nice, and they don't look like shiny, greasy, whatever, which kind of the thing that you get if you apply oil to your nails. So I really like this Adesse thing. Now I'm gonna set my entire face and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. So here are my final thoughts. I really like my Ipsy bag. It is the Lat4U are the brand that makes the sheet mask, and I really like that, and especially since it is the first time that I got a sheet mask that is black instead of white. But it felt really good in the skin. I really love the Huda Beauty color and how smooth and how it glide on my lips. And the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm from Purlisse is nice. It feels like refreshing in the skin. I didn't got the chance to use the Ofra single shadow, so as soon as I use it, I'm gonna link this video so you can actually go back and see this video, make a reference to this one. I really like the MAC mascara. It really do wonders for my bottom lashes. For my BOXYCHARM, I didn't get the chance to use the Wonder Beauty eye patches, but I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna let you know if I like them or not. I really like the Smashbox matte liquid metallic, and I love the combination of both of the liquid lips. I didn't thought that it was gonna look this nice. I really like the Adesse oil treatment. The Bang Beauty, I don't know, I'm not gonna say I didn't like it. I liked it for the brows, but if I use it as an eyeliner, which is supposedly the purpose of it, I wouldn't like it because it was dry when I got it. So it wasn't the fault of the Bang Beauty eyeliner. I didn't like the Laura Lee palette. The colors are great. When you apply them, they look really nice, but when you start blending them, they get patchy and you have to reapply it, and when you reapply it get patchy again. So you got a lot of spots that they look like kind of whitish spots, especially in the blue one. I'm not sure if that happens with all of the shadows, but the blue one was the one that I most use, and I hated that part. My eye look I like. It's out of my comfort zone, not because of the color, it's because of the shape thing that I have in my lid. But besides that, I would have used this kind of an eye look without any shame at all. I like the House of Lashes Featherette style. They're really comfortable. You don't feel them. They are really easy to wear and to apply, so that was really good. So far I really like both of my bags. It wasn't like last month that I wasn't as satisfied with my Ipsy bag as I was with my BOXYCHARM. So besides the Laura Lee, I really like both of my bags. So if you did like this video and this look, please thumbs it up. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notification bell to do so, or to get so. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.